Look! Oh my.
Call your dog's name and pretend they're not there.
Hey, Knox, you want to go get a pup cup? You want to go for a run? Come here, boy. Where you at? Knox, you want to go outside? You want to go outside? Where you at, boy? Come here. Knox, you want 5? Oh, there you go. I'm just playing, bro. Give me some, bro. Give me some, bro.
My dog bit me and seeing his reaction.
Ow! Ouch!
Fake sneeze in front of your dogs. So Knox decided to drop my phone in his water bowl. If you ever drop your phone in water, download Clearwave. This app plays sounds to eject water from the speakers. It tests the speakers as it goes. Look how it's pushing the water out.
I've been talking like Kevin Hart for so long that my natural voice, which is what I'm using right now, I can't fix it. It sounds just like Kevin Hart, and I'm not even trying. Like, no, don't do that. That's me trying to talk like Kevin Hart, but this is me just regular talking. I can't fix it. I've been trying to fix it all morning. I tried gargling water, hot honey, hot tea, whatever it is. I didn't try it, and it's not working. So I'm low-key starting to freak out just a little bit because I don't know if this is it. I don't know if this is it. Okay, look, you can have a little bite, all right? Look, just like this. Okay, yeah. You take that corner right there. A little bite. Easy bite. Easy bite.